Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends. You are watching CSC Guide official YouTube channel. Today I will tell you about SWJTU University Chinese government scholarship for master and students. So this is a very good opportunity for the students because they just have online apply, no need to send hard copies, no application fee required for this. So no came to the point and I will tell you about this. So Southwest Jiaotang University. Last time they offer Chinese government scholarship only for PhD candidate, but this time they offer for the master candidate as well. So they also have president scholarship, but they're not announced yet. So that's why we focus on Chinese government scholarship, Southwest Jiaotang University, so SWJTU. So if you don't have an acceptance from and no one can know from any universities, then you apply in this university, because my friends are studying there. This says that they got admission last year without acceptance letter. So I suggest you, if you not need if you don't send hard copies to any universities, then apply in this university. They just fully funded scholarship, master students, and for master and PhD students stipend 3,000 RMB and 3,005 RMB and 3,500 RMB for PhD, and no need to apply, no need to send hard copies, just online apply. 31st of March 2020 is the last date, and eligibility criteria for students is age limit is 35 and 40. What should you do for this? So just you fill online application form for this scholarship. After filling CSC, you must fill Southwest Jiaotang University portal online application form. Okay, when you fill both the forms, then wait for the result. You check your status daily. No need of IELTS and no need of application fee. Click here for filling the online application form of CSC online application portal, and click here to apply on university portal. And university portal, click here to apply on university portal. How you fill this form, I will tell you in this video. So these are just fill CSC application form. This is the agency number. Just what documents required when you fill the online application form to upload. So this highest degree CSC application form. When you fill the CSC application form, and download the CSC application form and upload on the university portal. How you upload, I will tell you in this video. Don't worry about this. Highest degree certificate, transcript, very simple and very not any additional documents required for this. Study plan, 2 recommendation letters, passport photocopy with visa page, means your third or fourth page of your passport is your visa page. It's blank. It no need to sign on your visa page. Just paste it blank. CD of your works only required for the art students. Physical examination form, photocopy, English proficiency certificate. IELTS is not mandatory. If you don't have an IELTS, then apply. You can apply other additional documents. If you have, otherwise leave it blank, because there is no option to upload it. It's it's not mentioned on university website. So this is the official announcement of this of this scholarship. So click on the official announcement. I'll check you what's the please watch a complete video, because in all the videos I will give some tips on every video. So that's why I will suggest you must watch my complete video. So the problem is that I think if they mention majors, if your major is in this list, then you can apply, otherwise you cannot apply for this. So structural engineering for doctor, vehicle engineering for master, transportation and planning is for master, doctor and master. These I think 5 to 6 program, 1 2 3 4 5 and 6 majors. They offer a CSC scholarship to these 6 major. PhD is also included in all these majors, but they offer 6 majors: transportation, information and communication engineering, computer science and technology. If your major is in computer science and technology, then it's good opportunity for you. Okay, there is no registration fee for Chinese government scholarship or any other scholarship for this university. They also have president scholarship, but not applied, not not announced yet. So there is no application fee. Only online application is accepted. No need to send hard copies material with again this year. Okay, you can understand. If you say that no, this is application fee, no, this is no, there is no any application fee. Okay. Now came to the next point, that how you fill this online application form. Click here and log in. Click here and log in here. Sign up. Sign up with your email and click on register. After clicking on register, then click you can show like this. Click on online application. Okay, when you click on online application, you can see self-sponsored president scholarship is not admission is not started in president scholarship, so that's why I cannot show you. Click on Chinese government scholarship. When you click on Chinese government scholarship, you can see only master and PhD candidate. Okay, means bachelor student cannot apply for this. So click on master student here, and after master student choose your major and apply. I choose geotechnical engineering and apply. Okay. Okay, when I apply here, I think what's the problem. Again I select it. When I select, then form has been shown, which you see 1.5 minutes. So okay, fill your information here. So I will go back just for you because I want to tell you that how you fill this form. I cannot fill this form one by one, so it's take too much time. So that's why I cannot waste your time anymore. So click on online application. Online application. When you click on online application, and you can see the internet is a little bit slow, so that's why it's creating problem here. So internet speed, we are living in we're not living in the cities, so that's why we are living in villages. That's why internet problem creating this internet problem. So okay, so after this I click on view. You can click on edit. Okay, I click on view because I want to tell you how you fill this form. These are the basic form I will tell you in every of my video. Click on fill your name, passport, gender, name, date of birth, country of birth, place of birth, native language is your national language, highest level. If you applying for master degree, then your highest level is bachelor, and if you apply for doctoral degree, then your major is master. Okay, religion is you select your religion. Employer, if you are not employed or association with, then type your uh, university name in which you are previously graduated, occupation student, health status physically fit, hobby sports, visa, passport expiry date is mentioned on your passport home page, educational background, type your years to attended school, name, field of study and diploma received. Field of study means you are computer science student, and diploma received means you BS computer science, BSc computer science, or MSc, this like this. Attended, graduated to, from year to 2 year employment background. If you don't have any employment background, then type then give detail of your final year project and these kind of things, because you cannot, if you not fill the form, fill this, then form cannot be full proceed. So if you proceed, then it's okay, no problem. Passport home copy, which is the visa page means three or fourth page, fourth of your passport page is blank, totally blank. Application form for Chinese government scholarship. When you fill the online application form for Chinese government scholarship, then after filling an online application form for Chinese government scholarship, a form will be downloaded. So download the form and upload here. Diploma received, notarized copy, transcript received, notarized copy, research or study plan in China, research plan of to recommendation letter, physical examination form valid of your. This is for undergraduate students, so this is not for you. Undergraduate student not apply for this, so that's why they just further scholarship. Now that's why they mention. Okay, CSC scholarship of your own works only required for art candidate result of Chinese examination HSK. If you have, otherwise leave it. Okay, articles of paper published returns. If upload the photocopies of this. Acceptance letter if you have, otherwise leave it. English proficiency certificate, click on English proficiency certificate. IELTS, if you don't have an IELTS, leave it blank. English proficiency language select excellent, and language proficiency certificate, here type here other languages English proficiency. Okay, this is automatically mentioned family member, give the detail of your family. If you not having any email of your family members, then type your second email of your own and other your friends, because you cannot proceed form without filling this. So it's not important, but just you need to fill the no criminal record. Okay, financial support, type your father's or brother email detail, details. If you type your type CSC detail, then it's okay. So it's not important, but you can need to fill. Some student says you fill CSC application form, CSC give the detail of CSC, but the CSC not give the detail of CSC, or give it depend on you, because clearly mentioned this is for Chinese government scholarship. Automatically the financial resources for scholarship, Chinese government scholarship. So you can mention here or not, it's optional, but you need, it's depends on you, which thing you matter, where you think you type grantor case in China. Type your your father detail or your professor detail if you have acceptance letter, otherwise leave it blank. Okay, so this is live chat option, so that's why student contacting us after making this video. I will contact with them. Okay, home country address, zip code. If you don't know zip code of your city, then type your name, Google city name in Google, and you will find it. But postal address, type your postal address. How to collect the notion notice at home address or SWJTU address. You type two option will be shown when you fill the form. So you can collect your home address and give your detail again here, because give your detail correctly, because they send documents to you in this address. After filling this form, the student your status change into in process. After when your status in process means your application is your form is submitted, and after them that status change to initial review, passed, final result analysis, and finally admitted. Once you submit this application, your application will not be submitted again, and you cannot change anything, because CS application form will be changed, but this not can do, you cannot change this form. If you do some mistake, then contact with the message to administrators. You can send the message to administrator and ask me the problem, maybe they can reply you. So hope so you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe our YouTube channel and come on our cscguideofficial.com website. So 2 or 3 universities no remaining, still remaining for which CS scholarship has been started. So in upcoming video, inshallah, I will make a video on this. So hope so you like this video, and stay connected with us. Allah Hafiz.